You remember last time when we unboxed the classic CNC P6 Black and Gold edition? Here we are again, and let's unbox another edition from CNC P6, the CNC P6 SIRIUS. Let's see what's make them different besides of the color, or if they have improvements made to it. So, come and join me till the end of this video, and if you're new to my channel, I am Randy Amlang Tattoo of I Love You Tattoo TV. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you like my video, click the bell button and share it with your friends and family. I will test it in different style of tattooing like tip riding, floating the needle, outlining using the round shader, color packing, shading, and whipping. Disclaimer, I am not a tattoo expert and not a tattoo master. This video is based only on my personal knowledge and personal experience and not intended to be a tutorial video. But if you can get a lesson, just take it. And if you don't, I'm just giving you some pointers. And thank you again for supporting my channel. Now, let's do the unboxing. Okay. Inside this box is the CNC P6 SIRIUS with a black mesh pouch, but let's save the best for last. Let's find out what's more inside this box. Okay, there is a user manual and a warranty card and a QC pass. There is also a small black box. Inside is the light RCA cord and a 2 spare O-ring. Okay, and now it's time to reveal what is inside this pouch. Wow, look at this color. Metallic gray and metallic blue. What a combination. Honestly, blue is my favorite color. And matching with this gray, something is superb. There is also CNC logo engraved on the grip. As usual, you can change the stroke and needle depth by turning counterclockwise. Grip is like 2 inches long, and all in all, without the battery pack, the P6 SIRIUS is only 175 grams and made by high quality materials. Fantastic. This machine is also easy to dismantle, but better not to do this because or else. Okay, I think it's time to run this and test it on my client's skin. Okay, so come and join me. We will do a different tattooing style and techniques and different needles. Okay, here we go. And in here, I'm using the 9-round shader, and I'm doing the tip riding at 7.5 volts. It's up to you to judge. And for this one, I'm using a 3-round liner, and I'm doing floating the needle. I am also using this for filling in some small areas. For me, it weights just right, not too light, not too heavy. My hands are very comfortable handling it, easy to handle. For this one, I'm using a 19-round Magnum for color packing, for filling all the gaps. Look at that. Very powerful machine. Okay, now it's time to do the whipping or the pepper shading. at 5 volts, 4.5 to 5 volts. Okay, look at that, it's very smooth. Okay, all in all, P6 SIRIUS is a superb machine, not only by its looks, and the small machine together with a good skill can do all the job. Special thanks to my sponsor at CNC Tattoo. CNC Tattoo was established in 2018 and obtained trademark license and product patent in the United States and Europe and other districts worldwide. And I hope you like this video and see you again next time. Bye bye!